Namaste. I am the Indian monk. Before I take you on a beginner's guide to meditation, let's first of all run through a checklist in preparation for your session. It's important that you prepare for every meditation practice in order to get the most from it. The following checklist has been devised to help you gain as much benefit as possible in these early stages. Choose a quiet location where you will not be disturbed for next 5 minutes, preferably somewhere in the nature or indoor where you can light a candle for maximum effect. Please ensure that you are wearing comfortable clothing. Turn off or switch your phone to silence, along with all other electrical devices in your immediate vicinity. Make sure you're at least 2 meters distance from another person. Sit comfortably in the lotus position in your chosen location, or if you preferred, lie down. Once you have carried out all of the above, relax and let me now share with you the origins of this ancient practice. For centuries, the monks of my birthplace have been practicing meditation as part of their daily routine. India is recognized globally as the source of spirituality. It invented the technique of meditation and was the birthplace of Buddha, and today remains the epicenter of his practices and philosophy. Buddha was a prince born in the ancient Indian kingdom, and for years he knew nothing of the world outside the walls of the palace he grew up in. One day, curiosity grew the better of him, and he ventured into the environment outside his privileged world to discover how the majority of his fellow men lived. His shock and dismay upon discovering their plight led him on his journey to enlightenment, and the lessons he learned on this path form the basis of Buddhist movement practiced by millions around the world today. Buddha wanted answers. Why were so many sufferings? After many years searching, he concluded that there is no explanation. And so he sat under Bodhi tree and made a vow not to move until he had discovered the answer for himself. This process led to prolonged concentration in a meditative state, which ultimately led him to experience enlightenment. Meditation has and was practiced even before Lord Buddha, although his technique is still practiced today by many millions. He recognized that if we are to understand the world, we must first seek to better understand ourselves and our place in it. The art of meditating continues to grow. It's estimated that between 200 to 500 million people practice it today. There is a reason for its growing popularity. If you make the time to invest in meditation, it will repay that investment in all areas of your life. carefully practiced meditation, we can calm our minds, bring clarity to our thoughts, reduce our dependency, reduce daily stress, increase our vibrations, all leading to improved positivity, helping us to attract more of the things we want into our life. Why is meditation such a powerful tool? I hear you ask. Unlike many activities in life, you can carry out your meditation anywhere you find yourself in the world, and by incorporating the practice into your daily existence, you are gifting yourself with best opportunities to face the stresses and strains placed upon all of us in everyday life. You can increase your positivity and keep negative thoughts and emotions in check. So, let the Indian monk take you on a journey in search of inner calm. All it takes is an open mind and determination to persevere. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Start to turn your attention to your breathing. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Try and hold onto your breath for approximately 8 seconds. Then release and let it go. Repeat this one more time. Breathing in through your nose, holding for 8 seconds, then out through your mouth. Once you're settled, allow your body to breathe naturally. Make no efforts to control your breath. Just allow yourself to feel your body breathing naturally. Focus your attention on the breath and on how the body moves with each inhalation and exhalation. Feel and experience where in body you feel each breath. Absorb each breath in your chest, shoulders, rib cage and belly. Feel the air leave your body through your nostrils into the atmosphere around you. If your mind wanders, gently return your focus back to your breath. Simply focus your attention on your next breath without controlling its pace or intensity. Continue to breathe naturally, focusing on nothing other than your next breath. Relax. Breathe. Relax. Peace. Breathe. Relax. Peace. Now let's focus on a self affirmation. Repeat to yourself, I give myself permission to learn and grow. Continue to repeat the words to yourself over and over in your mind until you start to feel their meaning. Breathe in that meaning and embrace its joy. I give myself permission to learn and grow. Slowly, very slowly, start returning your mind to its conscious state and open your eyes. If this is your first experience of meditation, I hope it was beneficial for you. But remember that, like everything in life, we only get out what we are prepared to put in. Namaste.